Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to add promo code on Agoda. So whether you're a seasoned globe trotter or planning your first getaway, the steps I'm going to walk you through will ensure you get the best deals available. The first thing that you need to do is to open your preferred web browser and navigate to www.agoda.com, and you'll be greeted by Agoda's vibrant homepage showcasing a plethora of travel deals and destinations. So what you're going to do is to use the search bar at the top to enter your destination, travel dates, and number of guests. And of course, once you're done, go ahead and click the search button to view available accommodations. You could actually search for hotels or private spaces, long stays, airport transfer. Fill out all of these and hit the search button. Now it's going to take you to the next window where you can now select your preferred property. All you need to do is to browse through the list of options. You can filter results based on price, star rating, guest reviews, and more to find the perfect match for your needs. And of course, once you found a suitable option, go ahead and click on it. So let's say I want to do this, just click on it to view more details. And that's going to take you into the properties page. On the properties page, you'll see various room types available. Just go ahead and review the amenities, cancellation policies, and pricing for each room. Of course, once you have decided, go ahead and click on the Book Now button that is next to your preferred room. Now in there, fill in the required guest details, including full name and contact information. Then once you're done, click on final step, and it's going to take you to the next window where you will now have to add your payment method, your payment details, including credit or debit cards and PayPal. Okay, so let's do that. Now on the payments page, you are going to, let's go ahead and go ahead and take it a little step backwards. Just don't head over to the payment page, just go back to this page, this customer information page, and go ahead and check the right corner, scroll all the way down, and you're going to find coupons, right? And this coupon says have a code. Now go ahead and click on it. Now this is where you can enter your promo code. All you need to do is to type or paste your promo code into this box. Once entered, a green check mark should appear, indicating that the code is valid. Now the discount will be reflected in your total amount. Then once you're done, now go ahead and click on next final step where you can now add your payment details. So before finalizing, review all details of your booking to ensure accuracy. And of course, once confirmed, click the book and pay now button to complete the process. After booking, you receive a confirmation email from Agoda containing all the details of your reservation. Keep this email handy as it may be required during check-in. So go over the tutorial from the top to the bottom to get acquainted with the steps. And of course, once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped your search.